Good morning, Arcan campers, and welcome to our second installment of the Arcan trailer renovation. Today we're going to be taking you through the exterior details that we want to touch point on, and also the progress we've made on the interior of the unit. Okay, so to start off today, we're going to be talking about the front of the unit. When we purchased the trailer, there was a lot of rust that was on the A-frame, a lot of rock chips from driving down the road on the front of this. You have two options that you can kind of do to freshen up this area. One, you can just go to the hardware store, grab a couple cans of spray paint, freshen it up, nice and easy. The downfall with that is that you will have to maintain it every couple of years because the rust will come back. The great thing about what we've done here is that we've put a rock guard on it to protect that permanently. So we brought it all the way up to this height to protect from rock chips while you're driving, so you'll never have any dents or chips or anything like that going on in the paint or in the tin. And it just really freshens this area, and it just gives it really good durability and structure on the front of the unit.
When we were looking for units for this project, we were looking for units with little to no body damage, as well as little to no updates that needed to be done on the exterior of the unit. Any updates on the exterior of the unit or body damage that needed to be completed would increase our cost, and we wanted the most impact to be on the inside of the trailer rather than the outside. When we were looking at the unit, we made sure to check the roof seals to make sure that there was no water damage and the structural integrity was there. This roof has been maintained quite well and there is no damage, so we were good to move forward on it without too many touch-ups or anything like that. So the compartment space on this unit is awesome, but it needs new foam seals, a new panel, and rewiring of the lights. We are also continuing the vinyl plank into the front compartment to complete the look. The front screen door needs a new foam seal as well, but the door is in great shape, so there shouldn't need to be any updates to that. Options for the exterior of the unit that we are considering are LED lights for the awning, a power tongue jack for easy hooking and unhooking, solar for topping up the batteries, solid steps for the entryway, and a backup camera for easy parking. These items are add-ons, and if we have room in our budget for them, we may go ahead with them, but it'll depend on where we save money in materials cost.
As you can see back here, this is the rust that I was talking about that we had on the front of the unit. We will be putting the Reno lining product on here just to prevent future maintenance. We just get it nice and clean and freshened up. We've also gone in and painted the stab jacks with spray paint, all four, the two in the back and the two in the front. We would have loved to have been able to put the Reno lining on those to prevent future maintenance, but unfortunately you can't put the product on with anything that has joints. So we went with the black spray paint. Also, while we're back here, I just want to show you the back of this unit. The decals, for the age that it is, are in great shape. So we really lucked out with that we don't have to have decals made. The only minor mark on the unit is actually just this little spot right here, which we can clean up very nicely, and it'll look like new. Okay, so now we're inside the unit. Now, as you can see, we have gutted it. We've removed the flooring, the carpet, the furniture, the cabinet doors, everything we didn't want to have painted.
As you can see, we have removed the appliances. For our customer safety, we do recommend that you have a certified technician deal with any propane appliances that you want removed and reinstalled.
So as you can see, there's definitely a lot of taping off that has been done. I can't stress enough how important this stage is. The more detail and time you take in taping off, the better clean finish you're going to have when painting. Thanks for tuning in today. Next week's video is going to be based around the priming and painting of the unit, which is going to have the biggest visual impact. So stay tuned.